Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the best metal 3D printers in 2025, the top machines perfect for US engineers, makers, and small businesses. From industry-leading precision to affordable options, I'll break down the specs, standout features, and real-world performance so you can find the perfect metal printer for your projects. Let's get started and see which printer deserves your investment this year. Starting at number 5, we have Markforged Adventurer 5M 3D printer. Sick of slow prints and tricky bed leveling? The Markforged Adventurer 5M is your high-speed, no-fuss solution. With 600 millimeters per second core XY motion, you get lightning-fast, ultra-precise results, perfect for rapid prototyping. The one-click auto-leveling saves tons of setup time, while smart features like 3-second nozzle swaps and app-based remote control make printing a breeze. I was seriously impressed by the quality and speed combo here. If you want pro-grade prints without the hassle, the 85M is absolutely worth it. This thing is built to move fast and print smart. Moving on, at number 4, we have Creality Halot Mage Pro 8K Resin 3D printer. Want pro-level resin prints fast? The Creality Halot Mage Pro 8K cranks out models at 170 millimeters per hour, up to 5 times faster than standard resin printers, thanks to its advanced Dynax motion system. It rivals 12K quality with over 90% light uniformity, delivering insanely sharp, detailed prints. Plus, the smart resin pump autofills and recycles resin for you. No mess, no stress. I was blown away by the speed, detail, and convenience. If you're serious about resin printing, the Halot Mage Pro is a total powerhouse that makes high-end prints effortless. At number 3, we have Prusa SL1S Speed 3D printer. Want pro-level resin prints without the wait? The Prusa SL1S Speed delivers stunning detail with 1.4 second layer exposure. That's up to a 150 millimeters model in just 3 hours. Its high-res mono LCD and rigid aluminum frame ensure sharp, flawless results, even on super detailed miniatures. Best part? It's fully open source. No locked-in resins or parts, giving you total freedom and flexibility. I'm seriously impressed with the speed, precision, and openness. If you want a fast, reliable, and versatile resin printer, the SL1S Speed is a rock-solid choice. At number 2, we have 3D printer for kids. Looking for the perfect 3D printer for kids or beginners? This compact printer makes creativity effortless, with one-click printing and smart app control, even works with voice commands. It's surprisingly precise, at 0.05 millimeters, and prints fast at 200 millimeters per second. Plus, you get access to 1,500 plus preloaded designs updated weekly, perfect for endless fun and learning. I love the built-in camera for live monitoring and cool time lapses. Safe, fully enclosed, and packed with everything you need, this is hands down one of the best 3D printers for home use and young creators. And finally, at number 1, Anycubic Cobra 2 Max 3D printer. Tired of slow 3D prints and tiny build volumes? The Anycubic Cobra 2 Max changes the game with insane 500 millimeters per second speed, saving you over 77 hours on big projects. It also packs a massive 88-liter build volume, perfect for creators, cosplayers, or prototyping pros. Plus, the LevIQ 2.0 auto-leveling and Smart Z offset mean less hassle, more success. I've tested it, and it's fast, precise, and beginner-friendly. If you want speed, size, and smart features in one beast of a printer, this one's a no-brainer.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.